What's up, Major Gang? I hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kiki Lifestyle Major. If you're new here, welcome, welcome, or welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, I literally got so much love for you. So I did not shoot the intro of this vlog, and I was like, why not just put some, sound and all that so that I can keep you all updated on what's happening. Otherwise, I hope you're gonna enjoy this vlog, and I hope we are gonna vibe. Mwah. You know what's up, you know what's up. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. I am so excited. Oh my god. 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 Thank you so much, Jesus. Like, oh my god. Damn, I'm so excited. I am so excited. This is incredible. The first time I had a coffee machine, I was so excited in that I did not even want to trash the box. Because anytime I saw the box, I was like, girl, that's your first coffee machine. Like, you're such a big girl, you're doing this. And now, so if you watched my last vlog, you know that I told you that I broke my previous coffee machine, and so it was so hard, and I just can't survive. The girl cannot survive without coffee. Like, coffee in the morning steams my brain up, and it was tough. It was tough. It was literally tough to stay without one, and I thank God that he had my call and my prayer and provided me with one. I'm so excited, my goodness. Certificate of warranty. These are the things that make you feel and know that you are a grown girl. I gotta sign this girl up. I'm gonna sign this girl up, the dealer's branch, etc, blah blah blah. Sign it and drop it off just in case, Oh, there are two. In case I was married, my husband would have signed the second one, and I signed this one. It feels good. It feels good. It feels really good. Instruction manual. Anyway, I know how to use this thing. I'm just excited. Proceed with caution. Wow, I just love the packaging. I think this is one hella meaningful brand. Oh my god! Oh Jesus, this is so beautiful. Oh my god. Oh Heavenly Father, thank you so much. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. I'm so excited. Rip the girl. Rip me out of paper, I'll be feeling brand new. Hey, wow. You are mine, baby girl. Mwah. I gotta clear the place for you here. Wow. The other time I lost my scoop like this one, and I'm glad they gave me another one. Rip me out of paper, I'll be feeling brand new. Hey, don't play with a girl, don't play with a girl, she a bad one. This feels so good. My certificate of warranty, you know, when you see things like that, you know you're such a big grown-ass girl. I'm so excited.
You say it's hard to tell just what I'm thinking. You think it's hard to see behind my smile.
Oh, this is cute. The previous one did not have this handle here. Damn. This is a cute brand. Okay, Ramptons. Okay, girl. Here is Rampton's ideas for easy living. Of course, baby.
Between us, ain't no mess. I'ma tell you all my secrets. No secrets, no secrets. No secrets, no secrets. Wanna show you all my feelings. I'm not good at keeping no secrets.
Oh my gosh, you look so beautiful. I love the fact that it's black and it has some silver, because then it connects with my house, because this is beautiful. I don't know, this is gorgeous. So she's gonna stay there and she's gonna stay there. I think she's the one who's gonna leave and she's gonna enter inside here.
No secrets, no secrets, no secrets. It's hard to see behind my smile. I'll say whatever you want, let you walk in my heart if you want to. You can ask me anything, no walls between us, ain't no mask. I'ma tell you all my secrets. You can ask me anything, no walls between us, ain't no mask. I'ma tell you all my secrets. No secrets, no secrets. No secrets, no secrets. Wanna show you all my feelings. I'm not good at keeping no secrets.
So I'm from the supermarket. I went to Naivas. I needed to buy some few stuff. because I did not know what I'm going to cook for dinner, and I just wanted something that I could a bit quick and just a little bit easy. Yeah, so let's unbox together what I bought, and we can call it a day.
found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, 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 breathe slow.
Hi my loves, so I've just finished cleaning the house. I'm allowing my mattress to get a breather before I come and spread it. And I've also taken a shower, I've taken my breakfast, and I just want to rush to the supermarket, do my monthly shopping because it's past time. Today is on 9th, and so I want to go do some monthly shopping. Normally I usually do it on 8th, every 8th of every month, but I don't want to make it like it has to specifically happen at on 8th because that will be some level of OCD and all that. So since it's a weekend and I've done the whole cleaning and blah blah blah, fuck, I hate these noises. Oh my gosh, let me show you. Fuck, how hot is that? Oh, damn. Hello, hello. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you know what's up, you know what's up. Damn. Anyway, I'm not pissed anymore. I'm not pissed anymore because it's a cute bike being ridden by, you know what's up. Ah, my gosh. Here, a fine one. Here's a fine one. Anyway, just giving flowers, you know. So yep, I was saying, so I just want to go to the supermarket, do some monthly shopping, then see how the day flows. It's on Saturday, so I've changed. Normally I usually do my reset, weekly reset on Sundays, but because this year I want to make sure I go to church every Sunday and also use that opportunity to catch up with my family and my mom. So most of the time I leave my house early in the morning and I come back late in the evening, and once I come back I'm always tired and exhausted, and I just never have the motivation to keep working, or rather cleaning the house and all that. So I want to change my weekly resets to Saturdays, so that I can be able to use Saturdays as my weekly reset and Sunday as my chill day and all that. So yeah, so come with me, let's go to the supermarket, let's go do some shopping, and I'm gonna catch you guys later. Oh, that's the normal bike, whatever. Anyway, let me show you my full OOTD, then we can go about our business. The girl is pinking, she is in a whole soft vibration, and I ain't about to play. Oh, I forgot, I'm not, gotta make sure the girl is smelling good. So this is a body mist, it's called Moda. It's called Moda, it's a body mist. It really smells so good, I love it. Normally I'm supposed to use it after shower, I'm from the shower immediately, but who's Kiki, I do whatever. And this one, I think you've seen it a couple of times. Epic Adventure, it's for men, but honey, you know what's up. This one I usually just use a little because before I even check out of the house, someone who's at the gate is gonna notice Kiki's around. That's why I love it. So yep guys, so let us grab some bags and let us go to the supermarket. And yeah, I'm gonna try as much as I can to be disciplined and only purchase the things that I need. So I wrote a list down. If it's essential, I'm gonna get it. If it's not essential, I'm not spending and wasting my money for no reason, because I've come to realize I have this tendency of just wasting money and buying things that I don't even need because I'm just so excited. And this year I'm trying to behave a little bit better. So yep, let us do this. Mwah, outfit check.
Leave me, baby, don't wanna fall again. This just hurt me. Just think about it, but you hold me like you don't wanna break. I need some space. Just think about it, Maybe separate is better. I will love you till forever.
Hi loves, so I came from the supermarket like an hour ago, and I put everything into place, and I took some ice cream kidogo. So right now I just want to go spread and refreshen my bed. Otherwise I hope you're doing great, and otherwise I hope you're flowing fine. This is a weekend that's given. Mwah.
I'm looking down from up in the sky. I don't quite get how I've been without you for all this time. Good God, I'm bent over. got a body like a model. You got a body that you always find. Open up a bottle, and baby, you can have whatever you want. You taste so sweet, I can't help myself. You like candy, you like liquid honey. You taste so sweet, I can't help myself. You like candy, you like liquid honey. You like liquid honey, you like liquid honey. No, you like liquid honey, you like liquid honey, you like liquid honey. Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. Girls like them. Can I collide her from the ocean? I sell them my devotion and show them my thoughts. Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. I found a rainbow in the shade, the shadiest of places, a better one I saw. I said,
So it's been quite of a long day. Glad the whole house is clean, everything is intact, and I'm set for tomorrow. As I told you all, Sunday is the days that I'm spending with my family, and also this year I'm trying to make sure I'm going to church every Sunday, not just to go to church for my presence, but I feel like I need to work on my relationship with God, because I've come to realize those other years I've just been living according to however I want. But from this year henceforth, I want to keep living according to how God wants me to live. It's not going to be easy, but one thing I know is it's not going to be impossible. So I want my Sundays to be that moment where when I go to church, I'm literally going to church to connect with God, because he has done so much for me. Like, he has really done so much for me, and I hope one time I'm going to be able to sit down, give my testimony, share some 1 to 3 things, because like the way he has held me down, honestly, I just don't know. I literally don't know, but I want to just say thank you, and I want to spend this year any time, any moment to read my Bible, get to know what he wants me to do, go to church, give thanks, give my offerings, and wherever, you know, the most important thing is doing it from my heart. And so yeah, so currently it's around 6. I want to go buy some pizza, and that's for my dinner. Honestly, I can't lie to you, that's gonna be the first meal I'm eating today. Like, apart from taking coffee in the morning, I haven't eaten anything. I did not even eat coffee with anything. No, apart from taking coffee in the morning, I only took ice cream and some few bars of chocolate. And this year I'm looking towards gaining that body that I want, and I have to make sure I'm eating, so I cannot sleep without eating, and I don't feel like cooking because I feel like I've done so much. So yeah, I just wanna go with you guys, go purchase my dinner, then come back to the house. I'm gonna order it and come with it indoors. I wanted to order online, but I just feel like it's good when I also take a walk to stretch my legs and all that, so because it's not far from where I stay. So Yep, so let me rush there, buy something to eat, then I'll catch you guys later. A part of me feels like maybe I should go to a cafe and have dinner. Then another part is like, just go buy pizza, come with it in the house and eat from here. So I don't know. Let's see how it's gonna be. If I decide to go to that cafe, I'll let you guys know. We'll catch up there. If I decide to go to Pizza Inn, then Pizza Inn it is. So yeah, let me see how it goes, and I'll catch you guys later. Otherwise, I hope you're doing great, and this vlog is giving. So I just purchased these hooks from the supermarket right after my dinner. I want to see if they can be able to hold my piece of art, the one that I bought. And yeah. The only thing I do not like are those butterflies hanging from out there. It kind of steals some moment from the piece of art, but at the same time I feel like that's where I should hang it. In the meantime, that's where it's gonna hang. Literally, it's so big. This phone is not doing it justice. I don't know the measurements, but I know it's really big. Like, I love it. I spent so much coins on this, and I'm just like, oh my gosh. I bought it at 10,000. Yes, 10,000. I love it. I think it's just incredible. The eyes, the fabric, whatever hooked me onto this piece was the fabric and the eyes. So yep, I love it. I love it. In the meantime, that's where it's gonna be. But in future, we're gonna replace wherever it is. I'm gonna mount another mirror there. So let it hang there and see if it's going to survive the night. If not, voila. So guys, I hope you're doing great. I'm gonna close this vlog here because honestly I'm so tired. Your girl has done so much. I think I deserve some rest and a moment to just chill down, watch something, and I have to sleep early because tomorrow I'm waking up early. Tomorrow's service starts at 11:30 and I have to be there by 11. So yep, I usually go to Sitam Valley Road, by the way. So yep. So guys, I'ma catch you in the next vlog. If you watched till here, thank you so much. I love you so much. My dog is running away because we are having new neighbors who have just moved in, and there's some awkward noise because of the small banging, and my dog is usually afraid of bangs, honey. I don't know why. So yep, I'm gonna catch you in the next vlog, and thank you so much if you've watched this vlog till the end. Anyway, I'm so excited. This house is coming into place slowly and slowly. I'm fitting in things and I'm happy. Pole pole ndio mwendo, right? I don't know, whatever. Pole pole ndio mwendo, that's what I know. So guys, I'm gonna catch you in the next vlog. Ciao. Don't play, because the girl is bad. You know what's up. Kiki Lifestyle Measure. Mwah.